Do it for my YouTube channel. My caption is gonna be, "Friend falls off the cliff." They're walking. So update, we are currently on our way to Catskills, New York for a little hiking trip, cute thingy, road trip. There's Joe. There's Gabby.
I thought you got raptured, Raina.
How do I open this? Oh, seriously, you should probably nap. Hello. So pretty.
Smaller than a big ant.
Is she zooming in on it?
You're actually bugging. Like bugging.
No, I'm not.
Bugging about some bugs.
It's so cool. Cut my meats on this.
No, that's not a cutting board.
Oh, what is it?
No, it's like really heat conductive, so you put it over the fire and you can cook stuff on it on the fire. It'll heat up really quick like a pan does.
Whoa, cool.
I feel it already just sitting in the sun. I'll take a hike.
Oh, where would the bag be? Did you open this? No.
Vacant.
What is that?
It's a toilet.
Oh my goodness. You even pee in that? That's funny. What do we do with it after? I forgot. We just
You throw it in the trash.
Oh, okay.
You take the bag, throw the bag in the trash.
Oh, Raina, look.
Whoa. It's legit.
Very nice.
What's
So
this?
wait,
Oh, is this to clean? Oh, look at it. How is it?
It's just a toilet.
Is it funny?
No.
Can we see the bag afterwards?
No.
You don't want to put it on my YouTube?
Why would you want to put that on your YouTube?
Because it's a vlog.
It's a bag with my pee in it. That hurt?
No, it's okay.
Oh. I was like, I hit my funny bone.
Oh. Hi, guys. We've been recording the whole time. Oh. You're making a fire.
Oh, yeah, you know me.
Yes.
That's what they call me. Let's see if it can actually catch.
Sloppy Joe. Is this exciting? I'm moving here. I've moved. Yeah, right.
Oh,
She stands on the sideline, dances slow and looks at me. She must be the sunlight, shines a little more tonight. I know I try to make her mine, but at the same time is hard to find. Letters from moonlight wishes me a good night. We stand on the sideline, alone we walk alone. Say yes, man. I know I tried lots and lots of times, but maybe it's fine that you are so hard to find. That you are so hard to find.
Alrighty guys, it's the nighttime
You're
and we're making s'mores! Okay, let's see how this marshmallow wants me to make a marshmallow. Ah!
Yeah, you gotta do the thing where like it drops and then you're like,
It was such a good one! You got that on camera?
yes.
Damn!
That's great material though. That's great content.
Such a good song. Spider. It was right in my face! Guys, second part of the trip, we're going.
Going to
A waterfall?
waterfall.
We made it.
I'm down to vibe here for a while.
Down to what?
Just vibe here for a while. It is cold, but it's so nice.
Yeah, it is very refreshing. not to do this?
I don't understand.
Do it for my YouTube channel. My caption is gonna be, "Friend falls off the cliff." Clickbait. The whole thing is just a vlog, and then it's like
The whole thing is just you smiling in the camera. And like,
he's about this size.
I can't watch.
We have to remember he's super tall.
Yeah.
It's because you're so tall. If you're wondering why I'm out of breath, we did the babyest climb ever, and
Especially kind of asthma.
I got asthma. It's a ginger. Folks, this is the most rarest form of Joe you could ever find. And we're here in Catskills Mountains. And I think he spotted me. Oh. Joe's are very, very dangerous. She's right here. It's our last night, Joe.
Yeah.
This is the beautiful view.
Good, Jay.
We just had burgers. You couldn't see it. I'm so sorry. I'll put a picture in it on this video. But it's at the end of the night. The vlog is done. No, wait. There's going to be another part. But so nice. Water. Fire. Earth. Air.
That's it.
That's the one.
It's the bending for me.
I hope you guys. It's the bending for me. I hate you.
8 hours later.
Folks, it's the end of our trip.
The end of our trip.
The end of our trip. It's been great.
Raina's loved all the bugs and the bees and the spiders.
Yeah, she made friends with one. Its name was Poppy.
This is true. However,
And Stefan, what was Stefan?
Stefan, he was a stink bug.
Stefan the stink bug.
She hates all the other bugs that she encountered.
Just because those don't bother me.
We woke up this morning, she said, Poppy's got a friend.
So yes, this was our home for a couple. And now we're leaving.
Sad.
She stands on the sideline, dances slow and looks at me. She must be the sunlight, shines a little more tonight. I know I try to make her mine.
Subscribe, guys, for more.
Love is hard.
Ew.